Hello, hope you had an amazing week and welcome to today's video on how to save tax using mutual funds. In fact, you can save rupees 46,800 using ELSS mutual funds. Everyone is aware about the offers currently going in Flipkart and in Amazon. But how many of you know how much returns have been provided by the top tax saving mutual funds? Some people like, hold on, what? Is there an option to save tax using mutual funds? And some people like, what is mutual fund? Okay, don't worry about it. This video will explain the things in brief that everyone should needs to know about it. Let's see first what is mutual fund. A mutual fund is a company that pools money from many investors like you and others and invest that money in securities such as stocks, bonds and short-term debt funds. Investors buy shares in mutual funds and each share represents an investor's part ownership in the fund and the income it generates. So why do people buy mutual funds instead of other tax saving components? Let's see here. Mutual funds are a popular choice among the investors because they generally offer following features. First point is they are professionally managed. Each mutual fund company has got a mutual fund manager. So they do research for you. They select the securities, stocks or bonds and monitor the performance. Second, diversification. They don't pull all your eggs in one basket. Mutual funds typically invest in a range of companies and industries. This helps to lower your risk if one company fails. Third point, affordability. Most mutual funds set a relatively low amount for initial investment and subsequent purchases. Fourth, liquidity. Mutual fund investors can easily redeem their shares at any time for the current net asset value plus any redemption fees. Now let's see how to save tax using mutual funds. You can save tax using ELSS mutual funds. The ELSS stands for Equity Linked Savings Scheme. Why should you consider ELSS? The answer is here. Investments in other tax saving certificates, instruments under ATC, be it in tax saving fixed deposit or employee provident fund or public provident fund or national saving certificates or ELSS. ELSS holds an edge on many counts and has offered better returns than these ATC tax saving instruments. There are various advantages are there with ELSS mutual funds. Let's discuss one by one. ELSS has got the shortest lock-in of all ATC investments of just 3 years. The tax saving fixed deposits have 5 years lock-in and PPF has 15-year maturity. Thus ELSS allows you a greater flexibility in the medium term. Potentially higher returns. Most of the ATC investments offer returns in a single digits or an average, anywhere between 6 to 8%, but ELSS has the potential to offer significantly higher returns since it invests in a portfolio of equity instruments. Equity are nothing but shares. Better post-tax returns. Except PPF and NPS, ELSS offer better post-tax returns other than ATC investments because longer term capital gains of up to rupees 1 lakh a year. ELSS mutual funds are exempt from income tax and long term capital gains of above 1 lakh are taxed at 10%. But still that is a better deal considering the returns that you are getting in ELSS mutual funds. Ease of investments. Investing in ELSS is a simple option. You have a ready step-by-step instructions on how to invest in any mutual funds. You can put your money via systematic investment plan, that is SIP or lump sum. You can continue holding your ELSS units after the 3-year lock-in. But if you chose to sell them, you can do it online in just few clicks. The funds are credited to your account in 3 to 4 days time. Now let's compare ELSS with other tax saving instruments. ELSS has got 3 years lock-in period and it has got 15% indicative returns, which is still higher than the other tax saving instruments. and the returns are taxed at 10% on long-term capital gains of about rupees 1 lakh. Tax saving fixed deposit has got 3 years lock-in period and it has got 6 to 7% indicative returns. Yes, the returns are being taxed. National Savings Certificate has got 5 years lock-in period and it has got 7 to 8% indicative returns. Yes, the returns are still taxed in this National Savings Certificate. PPF has also got 15 years lock-in period and it has got an indicative returns of 7 to 8%. Yes, the returns are also being taxed here. National Pension Scheme has got the highest lock-in period because you will be able to withdraw this amount at the time of retirement, and it has got a reasonable indicative returns of 8 to 10%, and it is partially taxable. The returns are partially taxable. Now let's see the different ELSS fund available in the market, and we'll also compare how it is doing good in the last 5 years. We are also going to check their CRISIL rank and AUM. The AUM is nothing but money that is still being deposited over the years, and we are going to see the 5 years returns comparison. So first is Quant Tax Plan, and this has been highly rated ELSS mutual fund, and it has got 433.15 crore of money in this fund, and in the last 1 year it has given 43% higher than any other ELSS mutual fund, and the last second year it has given 98%. In 3 years it is 119%. The last 5 years it has 142%. It has doubled in almost 2 years time, in which the other fund has not done like that. So this is calculated on an SIP basis. So SIP is nothing but systematic investment plan. So the data in this table are to get the absolute SIP returns. If 1 year column is 10%, that means the fund has given 10% returns on your SIP investment started 1 year back from the latest NAV date. Now let's see the IDFC Tax ELSS fund, and it has got a CRISIL rank of 5, still being the highest rated one. But if you see the AUM, it has got 3,439 crores, and in the last 1 year it has given 37% returns, 71% in 2 years, 79% in 3 years, and 90% in 5 years. Let's see the highest AUM money that the fund has got. So in that I could see two fund, that is Mirae Asset Tax Saver Fund has got 9,831.97 crore, and ICICI Prudential Long Term Tax Saving Fund, it has got 10,028 crore of money that is still being there in this fund. So you can choose the best performing fund. You should also check the CRISIL ranking, and you can also compare it with AUM money, and based on that you choose a better fund and start investing it systematically. So you need to consistently invest in mutual fund for the better returns. So if you have invested 1.5 lakh, then you are eligible for 46,800 rupees tax saving money on this academic year. If you are looking for a best mobile application to start your mutual fund investments, please download ET Money app. I have given the link in the description. You can just go ahead and click the link, download the application, and you can just explore the various options available in the app and start your investments right from there. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet up in another interesting topic in upcoming days. Until then, stay safe. Goodbye.